In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on PayPal. We'll walk through how to send a money request step by step so that someone can pay you quickly and securely using their PayPal account. This is useful whether you're splitting a bill, getting paid for freelance work, or collecting money from a friend or family member. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal account dashboard. You may need to log in with your email and password if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main summary page, you'll see an overview of your balance and recent activity. This is your starting point. Next, look for the option labeled Send and Request along the top or in the main menu. Click on Send and Request. This is where PayPal groups all the tools for sending money to others or requesting that they send money to you. On the next screen, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address, a mobile number, or a contact name. Here, type the email or name of the person you'd like to receive money from. Make sure you enter it carefully, because this is how PayPal knows who should get your request. If you've interacted with this person before on PayPal, their details may auto-complete as you type. When their name or email appears in the list below, click on it. This confirms the person you're requesting money from and moves you onto the amount screen. It's always a good idea to double check the details at this point so you don't send a request to the wrong person. Now, you'll see a space to type in the amount you'd like to request. Enter the exact amount you expect to receive and make sure the currency is correct for you and the other person. This helps avoid confusion and extra fees later. Below the amount, click into the Add a Note field. This is optional, but very important for clarity. Here, type a short note explaining what the payment is for. For example, you might write something like payment for design work, rent for March, or dinner last night. A clear note helps the sender recognize your request and can be useful for your own records. Once you've added your note and checked the amount and recipient, you're ready to send the request. Click on the Request button. PayPal will now send a notification or email to that person, asking them to pay you the amount you specified. When they complete the payment, it will appear in your PayPal account balance